Hey everyone! Want to know a secret about making money online? You don't need to spend a ton of money to get started. That's right, you can start earning without any investment. Let me show you how. First up, we have freelancing. Websites like Fiverr and Upwork are like online job boards where you can offer your skills. Are you good at writing, designing, or maybe even coding? These platforms let you find people who will pay you for your talents. No need to spend any money up front, just put in the work and watch the money roll in. Next, we have something called affiliate marketing. Have you ever told your friends about a product you really love? Well, affiliate marketing is kind of like that, but you get paid for it. You can share links to products on your blog or social media, and every time someone buys something using your link, you earn a little bit of money. It's super easy. Are you a bit of a whiz kid at something? Maybe you're great at math or history? You can actually create your own online courses and sell them on websites like Udemy. It's a fantastic way to share your knowledge with the world and get paid for it. Finally, let's talk about dropshipping. Imagine this, you have an online store, but you don't have to keep any of the products in your house. Sounds pretty good, right? That's dropshipping. You sell products online, and when someone places an order, the supplier sends the product directly to the customer. You're basically the middleman, connecting buyers and sellers. So there you have it. 4 amazing ways to start earning money online without spending a dime. Remember, you have skills and talents that are valuable. It's all about using what you've got and finding creative ways to make money online. Give it a try, and who knows, you might just surprise yourself with what you can achieve. Good luck!